Who doesn't love an awesome transformation? Well, I know I sure do. So I have taken these little chubby crusties and we've turned them into baddies. Woo, woo, woo. The best part is my model doesn't know what I'm up to. So let's see how this goes. Nothing feels better than a great transformation. So when I'm taking a look at my clients' hands today, I am noticing that they're really flat. They're really crunchy. We have a little bit of overgrown, got a little bit of snaggle over here. So when I'm thinking about what bits to use, I'm gonna go ahead and use my cylinder bit. Not using anything with a point because these areas look a little tender. So let's go ahead and begin. So here I am with the Russian cylinder and I am at 13,000 RPM, so a little higher than I normally work, but my client is really tough on his nails. So here I am just pushing into that proximal fold, not into the nail plate. I am just strictly working on that nail plate. We are gonna do an amazing transformation. So I am gonna go ahead and drop my barrel and just go ahead and clean up that nail plate and also have it prepped up for our application. He doesn't know what we're about to do, but it'll look wonderful. You guys will enjoy it. If you're feeling that it's getting stuck, it's okay. Don't dig. Don't dig. Just sweep. Just do multiple passes. So like people who tend to be a little heavy-handed, they want to dig out the product. Don't do that. Allow the bits and the RPMs to do the work. Sometimes you just have to do multiple passes. This is a little tender area, so I'm just going to check in with my client. It never hurts just to say, hey, what's your comfort level? Especially in this area where it was really chewed up. Does everything feel okay? Gonna get right on top of that ledge of dry cuticle. Sweep it away. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Very safe. Oh my goodness, if I was just soaking them in water and pushing this back, I would be here all day. Cuticle training at its finest right here, you guys. So we would have done all 10 fingers. Now I can see the visibility on the nail plate. Very good. So now I turn my E-file in the reverse direction and I'm just gonna tighten up this cuticle work. Now I can do my back roll, my beloved back roll that allows me to really clean up, pull back that pocket so I can get in there with my enhancement. Also get in there with my ball bit, just open it up. I'm gonna increase my RPMs to about 20,000 because I don't want to apply pressure. We got working hands here, super crusty, super hard, calloused. We're just softening them. Got to be efficient. Got to think about what my next step is and how do I get through this service the quickest, right? Time is money. We become more successful when we start understanding that each minute that you're with your client, there's a dollar value attached to that. Not in a way of getting greedy, but we should know how much our service costs. So chewed up. Probably not the verbiage you want to use with your client, but I got to give you guys descriptive where it's super crusty. That's why I'm working at 13,000. It looks really raw in some areas, so I don't really want to go much deeper. I'm using that edge and just cleaning it out. I'm not trying to tuck my gel polish, so because I know that's not the look that we're going for today, I'm not going to push it, right? I'm not making this so I'm satisfied. I'm making sure I'm meeting the needs of my client. And I see a lot of you do that. You make it about you and what you want to see. Yes, I'm speaking to you, my perfectionists. Keep moving forward. So I think like using like the Russian flame or the large flame would be a little overkill at this point. Like I'm not trying to create a pocket. I'm just trying to clean up the cuticles. So kind of just getting an idea of how my service is going to move forward. Let's take a look. Wow, those are the same hands. They look so good. Wonderful. So you guys know I love a good ball bit, but that is also the hardest bit to master. So some of you guys really enjoy working with the Droplet. That gives us a little bit of a taper in the barrel, so it changes up our angle in which we're holding it. We never use the Droplet bit or a ball bit on the nail plate, okay? We always want to keep that off, and I'm just softening this ledge right here. I don't really want to cut, and the reason for that is that my client works outside to all the elements. I don't want to create any soft edges. I want to have everything nicely exfoliated. Okay, so here we are. I'm pulling back my client. I'm running at 20,000 RPMs because I know we got crusties going on. Bye-bye. Yikes, look at this. We're gonna make you look so pretty. Pretty nails for everyone. No singing on YouTube. Okay, so I'm really excited about this transformation because my partner here doesn't really know what he got himself into. He has earbuds on, so he's just allowed us to make his manicure look great. We went from crusties to now, look at all that cuticle cleanup. We did it all dry, no chemicals. They look great, we've prepped, and now we're ready to apply some baddies. All right. All right. He doesn't know what we've done yet. I just know that the patience is running low, okay? So here I am just polishing. Softening that skin that we were really, really exfoliating. Just hydrating it, softening it. It's a good color, it's his favorite color. It's gotta be a win, right? Oh, check this out. Oh yeah, don't show that, me accidentally. Beautiful, look at that, look, that's exactly what we wanna see. Okay, drum roll. We have not let him see what we have been doing for the last half an hour. Okay, ready? I might be sleeping in the car tonight. Ready? Ren, open-minded, and ta-da! You're beautiful. How do you feel?
Different.
Well said. Okay, so now you have to do this with me, okay? Take your hand like this. Yeah, just like this, saying, got my baddies.
I got my baddie.
There you go, honey. High five. Hope you guys enjoyed that transformation as much as I did. The best part of taking these little chubbies and turning them into baddies was I did it on my husband and I did not tell him I was putting on extensions. So on that note, I should probably get out of here, wrap this up, and take them off before I hear about it later. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and until the next tutorial, see you guys later.